We are at 1212 21st Avenue East, pulling back post jetting. Customer has had sewer lined and gotten inspection because he is about to sell a home and seen many spots of root intrusion that we were able to jet out. This being the furthest one at 126 feet. We were able to extract that root. It seems like they're all growing through connection points where liner meets either repair or other plastic. Second root was at this connection. We were able to get that out. Other than those two spots, the rest of the line is clear of root intrusion. Now we are in backyard of home.